Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely 2017 17 plate Audi A5 S-Line convertible. Now the S-Lines give you the more aggressive body styling, so you get the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice flared side skirts, a larger alloy wheel. You've got the sportier seats as well, so half leather S-Line embossed seats. They're a delight to sit in, and this particular vehicle is finished in the stunning and highly desirable Tango red metallic paintwork, which I think suits the car very well. Looks fantastic against all the bright silver detailing which you get on the centre grille, on the lower environment, around your windscreen. Obviously you've got the diamond turn finish on the alloy wheels, the side mouldings. This is a stunning and classy looking car. Now this is a 2-litre TDI, so brilliant engine, 190 horsepower, which is plenty, capable of over 60 miles per gallon. This vehicle is actually on the older tax brackets, so you'll save money on tax, but all round this car just ticks all the boxes. So we've got rear parking sensors, we've got Daytona matte finish on the lower splitter. We're riding on these lovely big 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, again finished in the Daytona grey with the diamond turned outer edge. We've got bright silver detailing that runs a band all around the actual cabin. Inside is a half leather and Alcantara sport seat. So these rear seats look like they've never been sat in, they're in fantastic order. Looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched. Then coming through to the drivers, obviously this is where you tend to pick up most of your work getting in and out of the vehicle, but as you can tell, this is a lovely car. So S-Line embossed. Looking at the bolsters, they're in nice order, so very minimal to no wear on those. You've got your fully electric sport seats. These seats are also heated. You've got Alcantara following through onto the door card. We've got brushed aluminium detailing, lots of bright silver inserts all throughout the car. The fit and finish of an Audi is second to none. So, jumping inside, we'll start the car up. So, this vehicle is supplied with both keys. All you do is press and hold. So, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. S-Line embossed again, part perforated. You've got gloss black and bright silver inserts, giving it a fantastic, very premium feel in the hand. So on this steering wheel, you'll find all your volume and media controls, voice command, obviously Bluetooth phone controls as well. All your media is found on there. You've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. You've got all the different selectable driving modes on the car. So the gearbox, you can put it into drive, you can flick that then into sport mode. You've got all the drive select, which allows you to put it into dynamic, eco, etc. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, as you'd expect on a car of this caliber. Limiters found down there. Now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 26,934 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. And another fantastic factory option and a must if you're buying an Audi is the digital cockpit. So instead of having analog clocks up there, you've got the full big wide screen. Makes following the SAT NAV very nice and easy. You can control most things off of here, so your Bluetooth phone, all your radio and media, obviously your warnings are on there as well, full fuel efficiency. And then coming through to the center screen, pressing through to the menu, you've got all your car information, sound, allowing you to change the bass, the treble, radio, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels, media, telephone, navigation, maps, Audi Connect, Audi smartphone interface. That's very nice and easy to use. And then you've got your settings as well. Following down then, you've got a 3-zone climate, I believe, on one of these. So you've got a different climate for the front passenger, the driver, and the passengers in the rear. You've got heated front seats, obviously traction control, automatic stop start, screen off. Starter button's found just there. You've got your center scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the infotainment screen. The gear shifter is very nice and easy to use, so all you do is press the button in on the side, go all the way up, that flicks you then into reverse. Reversing camera pops up, your front and rear parking sensors pop up as well, all the way down for drive, and then if you flick it down again, that puts the gearbox into sport mode. Now these DSG gearboxes are one of the smoothest on the market. It's a double clutch gearbox, so whilst one is engaged, the other one is getting ready for that next gear change. So it's a very, very smooth transition through the gears. The hood operations are very nice and easy, all you do is press and hold. Now this vehicle comes with a jet black hood, so we'll put it up now and I'll show you through to that because it is in very, very nice order. And only takes a matter of seconds to operate. You can actually operate the roof up to 30 miles an hour. So you can operate that and whilst you're going. So looking quickly then through to the roof, that is in fantastic order. So there's no signs of any sort of discoloration, no threading, no nicks, rips, tears. And I think you'll agree, the car looks just as good with the roof up as it does with the roof down. Now, coming through to the boot, even with the roof down, you still get quite a bit of boot space on these vehicles. So this is the boot space that you've got with the roof down. This little divider actually folds into the roof, or the headlining of the boot. So you can still definitely get all your shopping in there. You've got netting to secure things down. You've got your split folding rear seats. If I move the netting back under here, you'll find a space saver spur wheel, which is unheard of on most convertible cars, just because there's not a lot of space in the boot for that type of stuff on most cars, but Audi just make it work. And then this then folds away into the headlining like so. All you do is press the button there, and then as you can tell, the boot just opens up massively. But a lovely, lovely car, an absolute delight to drive. The DSG gearbox coupled with the 190 brake horsepower, this is a very fun car to drive. So if you'd like anything further on the car, if you'd like a personalised finance quote, if you'd like a part exchange price, if you'd like a personalised video, more images, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to your inquiry.